सर्वेप्सित फलप्रदे
सर्वेप्सित फलप्रदे सर्वेप्सित फलप्रदे
सर्वरक्षाकर चक्र स्वामिनी
सर्वरक्षाकर चक्र स्वामिनी सर्वरक्षाकर चक्र स्वामिनी
निगर्भयोगिनी
निगर्भयोगिनी निगर्भयोगिनी
वशिनी
वशिनी वशिनी.
I need to focus my mind. Chanchal hi manasvattam. You just ignore 1 second, nanosecond, it will go otherwise. So who will protect? Again, she is the one who is doing the raksha in the form of Ganapati. So daily, just you say, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Sthira Buddhi happens at Mooladhara. Dhiratvam. Your focus should not be shattered by small incidents in your life. Dhiratvam. That is given by Navakshari Mantra Durga. Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. They say these mantras should not be recited outside. That is a different school of thought. I am reciting in joy, in happiness, enjoying the recital of her name. In that way, this is fine to recite the mantra. Actually, 95% of our desires are always fulfilled. Yeah. You want to get up in the morning, you got up. We didn't die in the sleep. Right? What will happen if we die in the sleep? That is why all of us, immediately after getting up from the bed, a simple prayer you have to do without any slogan. Thank God I got up. One more day for me. Then you're not taking it granted. Your life, your opportunity to understand yourself and feel thyself in yourself. Enjoy the beautiful world she created for you. Customized world. Thank you. I got up. You wanted to eat? Then the food is there. Health is there. The hands are moving. All the ichhas, all the ipsitas are fulfilled. You wanted to go to work. You reach safe. How many people are thanking God after going to the workplace? Thank God I reached safe. Have you ever thanked? This is the Ipsita Palaprada. We forgot long time back the Manushya Tattva, which is Kritajnata, gratitude. At least now, let us thank that great force, Universal Mother, for each and everything that is happening in our life. That's why when somebody asks you, how are you? Veena ji, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? This is normally. By God's grace, my mother's grace, I'm doing great. Amma Devalla Brahmahandanga Vanan. Amma Brahma. Puja is over. Puja is continuing. Is it not? Every word, satsangatve nisangatvam, nisangatve nirmohatvam, nirmohatve nityaratatvam, nityaratatvam, jiva mukti. How do you attain mukti? How do you fulfill all the ipsita? By satsangam. Satsangam is not going to any place and listening to a guru. Whenever somebody asks you, whenever you come into contact with any person, express your gratitude and happiness for that moment which has been created by her. And that is called vichakshana. The intellectual ability to understand the hidden hand in everything that is happening in your life. Do you think that the children are studying because you are asking them to study? No. Some hidden force. Otherwise, a fisherman's son will not become a collector. An auto driver's daughter will not become topper in chartered accountancy exam. Her grace is there, and that is Ipsita Palaprada. Sarva Rakshakara Chakra Swamini. Once again, the name Sarva Raksha is coming. You know why? Mother knows. She is the Jnana Swarupa. She is the Maya Swarupa also. Maya also created by her. I know my child will go and fall a prey to the Maya which I have created. Well, this is a Srishti Dharma. Two sides of a coin. I need to appear as a Jnana Swarupa and I need to appear as a Maya Swarupa by my own will. This is a game. But I want my child to win this game. She's secretly helping her children by these names. I'm protecting you. I'm the one who is giving the thought. I'm the one who is fulfilling the thought. She is like a normal mother, again and again and again repeating this. Sarvarakshakara Chakra Swamini. Recite Bala Mantra. I created the Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madhamatsariyas. What to do? I have to create. But recite Bala Mantra. I'll pull you out. She's telling, Arishadvargo Sanjaram. Natural calamities. Well, that's the nature. I need to do a wholesale reduction in the population. But I will warn you not to go there. Provided you think about me every day getting up. Natural calamity. Chapala Chitta. Focus on my name. Any mantra recite. I will protect. And I'll see that your mind is not flickering. Yada yada hi dharmasya glani bhavati. The sloka says, whenever the dharma is coming down, I will appear myself in the avatara. Not only you, entire universe I am protecting whenever it is necessary. But what is necessary is the total surrender. Sarvasya sharanagati. Anyadha sharannasti tvameva sharanam sive tasmat karunya. Gajendra Moksham. The elephant was saved by Vishnu only when he stopped fighting. That doesn't mean that you don't do any action. Don't have the ownership for the action. Don't expect benefits for your action. Everything is decided. Brahat Karanam. As I told you, she protects you by giving forgetfulness. Otherwise, would have been crying for all those relatives who have gone away from us. My parents are no more. My guru is no more. But still we are surprising, we're laughing and smiling and enjoying the joke. Is it not a protection? She doesn't want this child to weep for the guru always. Forgetfulness is my protection, she says, Sarvarakshakara. Memory is also my protection. What if you don't realize the importance of the memory unless we forget to go back to our home? Suddenly what happened? You don't know where is your address. Can you think of that moment? Thank God I have this memory. I need to thank you for that. So these are many ways she is protecting you. Like we told yesterday, she is protecting you by way of omen. She is the one who has come before you as Black Cat and stopped you from getting into the flight, which is about to crash. But you never realize that I can also appear in the form of a black cat. I am Sarvarakshakara Chakra Swamini. Many ways I can protect you. But your job is to experience my protection in each and every incident in your life. Nigarbhayogini. The end of the chakra is coming. We were in the mother's womb, physical mother's womb. But we were pushed out by mother. Examination. We were safe there. Now we pushed out into the examination hall. Well, you go, I'm behind. I can train you up to 5 years. After that, you are on your own. That is the physical mother, universal mother, a combined effect of all the compassion of all the mothers, physical mothers, she is having. So, she says, I never push you out. You're always in my womb. Nigarbha Yogini. We are always in her womb. When you feel like that, dharma vibhajita savyava savya margastha. That is why whenever you sit, don't go for tiger skin, deer skin and kill those animals just to get more power. Think. Hrim Adhara Shakti Kamalasanaye Namaha. Amma, I'm not sitting on the couch. I'm not sitting on the floor. I'm sitting in your lap. Adhara Shakti Kamalasanaye Namaha. How can anything bad happen to me when I'm in your lap? When I'm in your Garbha always. I am protected. That is Nigarbha Yoga.